Hi friends, in today's lecture we'll be studying advanced conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that I have a sheet in which the headings are item name, quantity, unit price and total. In the total cell I have given a formula which is quantity into unit price. Now what I want to achieve is that over here in the item name, I want to create a drop down, and that drop down should allow me to select any of the item names from here. Now whatever item name I select over here, it should show me in green color in this range. This is what I want to achieve. So let us see how to proceed with the same. So first thing which we'll do is we'll click on the cell where we want the drop down to come. So we'll first click on data. In data we'll click on data tools, and in data tools we will select data validation. Now it will ask me allow what, so I will select allow list. Now it will ask me the source, so I'll click first over here, then I will click here, then I'll press shift, control and down arrow and select that entire column and click on OK. Now my drop down is ready. So you can see that now I can select from any of these drop downs. Now whatever drop down I select should be highlighted in green color over here. In order to do that, I'll first select my entire data by pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow, Ctrl Shift and right arrow. This highlights my entire data. After that, I would click on Home, and in Home I would select Conditional Formatting. In Conditional Formatting, I will select New Rule. In New Rule, I'll select the last option, Use Formula to determine which cells to format. Then over here, I would first select this cell. Okay. So the moment you click on that cell, you will see the address comes over here and that address is locked. So you can see the row number is also locked and the column number is also locked. So let the column be locked. I want to unlock the row. So I'll remove the dollar from the row and just make it unlocked. Then I would type equals to, and then I would select this. So if the contents of this cell is matching with this cell, then I would like to click on format, and in format I would select fill, and in fill I would select any color of my choice. In our case I want green, and then I would click on OK and again click on OK. So you can see wherever LCD is present in this list, it will show me in green color. If I select any other cell like RAM, so wherever RAM is present, it will show me in green color. If I select HDD, wherever HDD is present, it will show me in green color. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.